Hey everyone, welcome back to the Waqas Tech. So guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix imported message battery message showing on iPhone display. If you're also facing this kind of issue on your iPhone, in this video, I will show you how you can fix that. So first of all, make sure you close that, and after closing that, you need to open your iPhone settings. Okay, in settings section, make sure your iPhone updated to the latest iOS update and there is no pending update in your iPhone. To check that, open iPhone setting, tap on general. After tapping the general, you need to tap on software update and make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone. It will fix your issue. Okay. If that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. After update your iOS update and force to restart your iPhone, now you need to open iPhone settings again. Okay. Select battery. Okay. You can see a person screen right now. This error disappear on my iPhone screen. If you're also facing still that error, then make sure you are using original and genuine battery of iPhone. If you are using any other battery on your iPhone, it will appears again and again. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix that. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.